Let's DIY and paint this tiny decor box with a brand new transfer from Dixie Belle. As always, I clean everything before I paint with Dixie Belle's White Lightning and rinse with water. For today's project, I will be using chalk mineral paint. This is Weeping Willow from the Cottage collection. I absolutely love this paint for any of my DIY projects. It's super smooth, contains 0 VOCs, and I can use it indoors and around my pets and kids. For this small project, I will be using 2 even coats of Weeping Willow applied with a smooth synthetic brush. Let's open this beautiful transfer. It's called Roses and Peonies from Dixie Belle's Bells and Whistles line. Let's open this together and see what's inside a Bells and Whistles transfer. Transfers arrive flat in this packaging. You can remove it from the plastic wrap and see what's inside. It will contain image sheets inside of your package, as well as an instruction sheet and a small enclosed burnishing tool that you will use to push that transfer down onto your project. On every single package, you will be able to see exactly what's inside, along with the proper measurements that you might need for your project. In this smaller size transfer, there are 3 image sheets with big, beautiful flowers. Let's learn how to apply a transfer. My paint has been dry for 24 hours. I will simply cut out the images that I would like to use and then remove the white backing paper that's located on the back of the image. Once you have removed that white backing paper, you will see the sticky side and the smooth side. Simply lay down the sticky side onto your project. If there's any excess at the top or the bottom, you can cut that with a sharp blade before or after you push your transfer down onto your project. Inside your transfer package, you will find a small burnishing tool. This is the tool that you will use to push the image off of the plastic and onto your piece. Using that small tool, you're going to push the image down onto your project and lift the paper as you move along. You will be able to see the image release from the sheet, and it will turn a different color. You'll see me smoothing the image down with my hands before I begin. I will then grab a corner and use the enclosed burnishing tool to push that image off of the plastic and onto my project. Remember, you don't have to push very hard to get the image to release onto your piece of work. It's a very gentle scraping motion that releases the image off the plastic. After the entire image has been released from the sheet and onto my work, I like to smooth the image with my hands or use a small, soft burnishing cloth to make sure I've removed any of bubbles that might be located inside. You can cut your transfers, layer them, design them, you can even bend them around edges. You can place them anywhere you like on your projects. When you have finished applying all of the pieces that you would like for your project, you can then seal it with any of Dixie Belle's waxes or clear coats. For this project, I will use my blue sponge and my satin clear coat to make sure that this image has protection. After my satin clear coat has dried, I'm going to put back the original hardware, as well as add an extra keyhole to the front of this piece. I then came in with a little bit of Gold Gilding Wax to accent all of the edges on this project. And then this small decor box was done. I absolutely love the vibrant colors of this beautiful transfer. This smaller size transfer is the perfect size for smaller projects. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time.